Hello viewers, welcome back. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung aking video about the imaginary lines, please watch. Now, this lesson is all about the geographic coordinate system. Ano ba yung geographic coordinate system? So, ang geographic coordinate system, it assigns specific coordinates to a place. It is being used by the GPS ng US, GLONASS ng Russia, Beidou ng China, and other navigation app, para hindi ka mapunta sa maling lugar at sa maling tao. Masaklap kasi yon. Now, before doing this activity, let us first review this one. So, itong map na to is nasa unang video ko about imaginary lines. So, the first line here is yung green line. So, this indicates the prime meridian, which is located 0 degrees longitude. While this one, the blue line, indicates equator, located 0 degrees latitude. And then the other lines, like this one, the purple line, it indicates the Arctic Circle, which is located 66.5 degrees north. Yung yellow line is the Tropic of Cancer, which is 23.5 degrees north. Ang kabaligtaran naman ni Tropic of Cancer is Tropic of Capricorn, which is located 23.5 degrees south. And then the last one is the Antarctic Circle, located 66.5 degrees south. Okay, bakit mahalaga yung review? Because these lines will serve as our reference point, especially the prime meridian and the equator. Because in locating places on Earth using the geographic coordinate system, you should use a reference point. Ito yung magsisilbi nating basehan kung saan tayo magsisimula ng paghahanap ng lugar. So, simulan natin sa number 1. Now, maraming estudyante ang namamali in locating coordinates dahil sila ay nalilito kung saang number sila titingin. So, for example, sa number 1, 30 degrees south. Maraming numbers dito na 30. Meron dito 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 30. So, saan ka titingin? Now, mayroon ditong direction. S stands for south. Ngayon, saan ka ng number titingin kung south yung hahanapin mo? Dito ba? Dito? O rito? If the given is south, dito ka titingin sa number na nasa baba, sa lower half. Ayan. Now, it reduces the number 30 into, from 8, naging 4 na. 1, 2, 3, at 4. Sa 4 na yan, if you are looking for the number designated to southern places, titingin ka sa kaliwa at sa kanan. Because these numbers indicates the numbers for latitude. Because latitude divides Earth into north and south hemispheres. Ito yung titingnan mo ngayon na number. 30 degrees south. This one is the 30 degrees south. But yung number na yan ay may kapartner. Sana all may partner, di ba? So, ayan, 120 degrees east. In locating for the east, you will look naman for the numbers sa eastern hemisphere. And this is the eastern hemisphere. May 4 na 120. May dalawang 120 rito. So, dito ka na lang titingin sa linyang ito. 120. And ang kapartner niya kanina is 30 degrees. So, saan sila magtatama? Dito sa place na ito. Lalagyan ko ng X. Okay. So, this is the place where this coordinate is assigned. 30 degrees south and 120 degrees east. And this country is Australia. Nasundan ba? Okay, next. 30 degrees north and 30 degrees east. If we're looking for 30 degrees north, we will look for the northern hemisphere. Nasaan yung northern hemisphere? Ito yung bahagi ng mundo na nasa itaas ng equator. Nandito siya. Saang number ka titingin kapag 30 degrees north? Ito, sa kaliwa at kanan na number because this indicates the number for latitude. So this whole line is the 30 degrees north. Now, what we're looking for is not only the 30 degrees north, but also the 30 degrees east. In looking for the east, sabi ko kanina, look for the eastern hemisphere, which is on the right of the prime meridian. And this is the number for the 30 degrees east. Longitude divides Earth into western and eastern hemisphere. So this is the 30 degrees north and 30 degrees east. They intersect on the country of Egypt. Next number. Number 3. 60 degrees north and 90 degrees west. 60 degrees north is here, and the western hemisphere is nasa left-hand corner of this map. So 60 degrees north and 90 degrees east. That country is Canada. Next one is 0 degrees latitude and 80 degrees west. 0 degree latitude is here, the equator. So you will look for this part. And then, ang partner coordinate is 60 degrees west. West is here, so this country is Brazil. And last one, 15 degrees north, 0 degree longitude. Longitudes are the vertical line. So this is the 0 degrees, which is what we call the prime meridian. And 15 degrees north is estimated to be here. This country is Mali, na nasa Africa. So here it is. The 5 coordinates of the specific places on Earth. Australia, Egypt, Mali, Brazil, and Canada. And this is how you use the geographic coordinate system. And that's all for this video. Goodbye class. Thank you for watching.